everyone and welcome to the first video of the Java for Beginners series. Today we will learn how to make a Hello YouTube application, also known as a Hello World application. For this we want to go to File, New Project, make sure we're in the Java folder, then click Java Application and Next. What we want to do now is name our project. In this case, I want to name it Hello YouTube. Once we have created our project, we want to come to the area where our code is supposed to be. For that, you want to look for the comment that says todo. In it, we want to type system.out.print, followed by parentheses. Within the parentheses, we want to put quotation marks, and within the quotation marks, we will write our string. In this case, I want my string to say Hello YouTube. Once I have typed it, I want to run my program by pressing this green arrow. And now we can see in the console the build has been successful. And it says what we typed our string to be. What we might want to do is add ln after print. This will make our code look more organized by adding a break after our string. As you can see, when we run our code again, there has been added a break. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.